Aimix self-loading concrete mixer truck. Professional-grade concrete transport truck. Can achieve materials self-loading, mixing, discharging, and transportation, including loading system, mixing system, control system, discharging system, weighing system. Hydraulic shovel, the mixer can load the material easily and accurately. After the aggregate and cement are fed into the mixing barrel, they will be mixed with the pressed water from the double water tanks which are on the truck. The specially designed double screw to confirm the quality of concrete. The operator can control the mixing barrel at a 300-degree rotation so that it can discharge the concrete at a 2 meters height for directions. There is a well-appointed cab. The driver can operate almost all the actions through a handle shank and with a ROPS/FOPS system to provide the driver with a comprehensive safeguard. There is a computer, automatically controls and displays the weights of materials. At present, self-loading mixer truck has become an indispensable professional concrete transportation equipment. Widely application. Self-loading mixer trucks are widely used in urban construction, roads, bridges, tunnels, house construction, water conservancy projects, mixing plants, and other projects. Adapt to a variety of operating environments. 1. The drum can rotate 270 degrees and has the characteristics of a narrow body, a short wheelbase, and a small turning radius. It can be used in narrow or restricted construction sites. 2. Self-loading mixer trucks also have the advantages of high production efficiency and easy operation. Just one operator can be completed. 3. According to project requirements, Aimix can provide a minimum output of 1.2 cbm to 6.5 maximum output self-loading mixer trucks for our customers. Exported to over 100 countries. The professional after-sales service team. Professional installation and maintenance. Professional operation training. 24-hour after-sales service. Regular visits and equipment maintenance. Contact us now.